Namaskar, I am Dr. Akanksha Verma, Senior Consultant, Obstetrics and Gynecology, Health World Hospitals. Hello, yet again August is here, and as we all know, we celebrate World Breastfeeding Week from August 1st to August 7th every year. So why do we need to celebrate this? We need this because even today, only 43% of the infants are exclusively breastfed for the first 6 months of their life. And only by exclusively breastfeeding these infants for first 6 months, we can cut down infant mortality rate to almost half. So, as we celebrate Breastfeeding Week, we ought to create awareness, we need to educate people and create an environment that is friendly and supportive for mothers who choose to breastfeed. The theme for World Breastfeeding Week this year is Closing the Gap and breastfeeding support to all. So we need to emphasize the importance of this noble gesture, and we need to bridge this gap of 57%. And these 57% of babies who are actually denied exclusively breastfeeding for first 6 months of their life. So as we are celebrating Breastfeeding Week, we need to discuss the importance breastfeeding confer upon us. When a baby is born, for first 6 months of life, it needs nothing much other than the mother's milk. It's the mother's milk which supplies and provides all the vital nutrients as well as the immunity ingredients, immunity boosters to the baby, which help the babies grow, develop a healthy life well into the adulthood also. Not only this, mothers also get her share of benefit from the breastfeeding in the form of easy weight loss. The postpartum weight, which is very difficult to lose, becomes easy when you are breastfeeding. It also helps women decrease the chances of developing diseases like diabetes, decrease the chances of developing certain cancers like ovarian cancers and breast cancers. These set of cancers, ovarian cancers and breast cancers, are known to have lesser incidences among women who have actually breastfed their babies. And the icing on the top is it helps strengthen the bond between mother and the child, which is very important for neurodevelopmental and emotional development of the baby. So dear mothers, whenever you find any difficulty during your lactation period, do seek medical help. We are here with a dedicated lactation counseling support system for you. So let us all pledge to educate our near and dear ones about the importance of breastfeeding and create an environment which is friendly and supportive and support their journey to successful lactation at our homes, at our workplaces, and wherever we find women struggling to breastfeed. Your word of support is the key to healthy and happier life. So once again, let's celebrate this Breastfeeding Week with the same enthusiasm this year too. The Health World Hospitals wishes all the new mothers a very happy motherhood and a blissful breastfeeding journey. Thank you.